For generations, gardeners have relied on compost to enrich their soil, believing it to be the ultimate solution. Compost improves soil structure, helping clay drain and sand retain water, and gives earth a spongy texture. But today's soils are often depleted and disconnected from natural cycles. Simply adding compost is like building a house and leaving it empty. It provides structure, but not life. The real secret to a thriving garden lies in the living relationships beneath our feet. Healthy soil is a bustling community of billions, microbes, fungi and worms, working unseen. Compost is just the pantry. It's the living organisms that turn it into nourishment. Our task is to shift from feeding the soil to feeding the life within it. By awakening this microscopic world, we unlock our soil's true potential. Let's dig deeper and discover how to bring our gardens fully to life. Let's meet the key players in this underground world. Microbes, billions in a teaspoon, break down organic matter into nutrients plants can absorb. Without them, even the richest compost is useless to plants. Fungi, especially mycorrhizal types, form networks that connect plant roots, delivering water and minerals far beyond the plant's reach. In return, plants feed fungi sugars, a perfect partnership. Earthworms are the engineers, aerating soil and producing nutrient-rich castings. Their presence signals a healthy living ecosystem. Together, microbes, fungi and worms form a cooperative society, each supporting the others. Their constant interaction creates true soil fertility. Our goal isn't just to add compost, but to foster this entire workforce. When we do, our gardens truly thrive. Compost is a fantastic soil conditioner, but it has limits. Its nutrients are locked in complex forms, only released by active soil life. In depleted or sterile soils, like many urban gardens or containers, microbial life is minimal, so compost's benefits are slow to appear. Hot composting, while safe, often kills beneficial microbes, leaving a blank canvas rather than a living inoculant. Relying on compost alone is passive. It's like stocking a pantry and hoping cooks show up. In tired soils, this leads to disappointing growth and weak plants. To revive our gardens, we need a more active approach. We must bring the soil back to life. The solution? Feed the microbes directly. Simple homemade elixirs like rice water, full of starches, give microbes an instant energy boost. Fermented plant juice, FPJ, made by fermenting plant tips with brown sugar, creates a potent mix of plant hormones and beneficial microbes. When diluted and applied, these liquids spark microbial populations into action. Microbes multiply, breaking down compost faster and releasing nutrients plants can use right away. This surge in activity also attracts earthworms, further enriching the soil. The result, vigorous, resilient plants supported by a thriving underground ecosystem. By feeding the soil life, we transform our gardens from static to dynamic. It's a proactive, nature-inspired approach. As microbe farmers, our harvests become richer than ever. To support this living workforce, keep soil covered with mulch. Wood chips, straw, or leaves. Mulch protects against sun, rain and evaporation, creating a stable habitat for soil life. Pair this with a no-dig approach. Avoid tilling, which disrupts fungal networks and worm tunnels. Instead, layer compost and mulch on top, mimicking the forest floor's natural cycle. Add microbial foods like rice water or FPJ to supercharge the process. This combination builds healthy, resilient soil year after year. Compost is valuable, but the real secret is nurturing the living ecosystem beneath. By feeding microbes, protecting their habitat, and leaving their world undisturbed, we partner with nature. We become conductors of an underground symphony of life. This is how we create truly thriving, sustainable gardens.